Hey guys, what we have here today is an unboxing of the American Tactical Imports GSG model 522P 22 long rifle semi-automatic pistol. Very simply, this is as solid as a rock. This value-packed beauty's style is unique in its class, and the 522's many distinctive features make it a must-have for all firearm enthusiasts. Sporting an aluminum upper and a polymer lower, weaver rail, textured grip, ambidextrous safety, and a distinctive front sight, the GSG-522 will send 22 long rifle rounds down the range with amazing accuracy and reliability. I've actually shot thousands of rounds to this particular firearm, and this is the model that has the high visibility front sight. So you can see that there. So in the box with the GSG 522P, you usually have a 10 round magazine. As you can see, I've got 22 round magazines. The gun is extremely reliable to shoot. The only issue that I have had with this gun, and you can see that they have the, I forget the name of it, easy loading mechanism here, so you can pull this down and load the 22s. You don't really need that though. They're fairly easy to load. The only issue I've ever had with the magazines is that there's a little seam here where the plastic is joined together. If you leave the magazines loaded, that will start to separate on you. And then, so all I did to fix that is I just took the mags apart and I put a little bit of super glue, Gorilla Glue on the seam, and then they were fine ever since. So we've got the 322 round magazines. Got just a box of ammo here. The gun itself, like I said, it's aluminum on the top, and then aluminum on the top, plastic on the bottom. This has the textured synthetic lower. It's got a little mock flash suppressor on here, and if you unscrew this, you can actually see the small 22 long rifle barrel under it. But you can also see that the barrel is thick. The gun is a tack driver. I know some people were saying that they had problems with the gun, but I've found it to be extremely accurate. And I've got a little, I think this little red dot optic here, or red dot sight, I think it's just Tasco. It's just a little cheapy red dot. But with the red dot, you can get your hits on target pretty easily, out to 25 yards. You can see the high visibility sight, front sight. That's just a little piece of yellow rubber stuck in there. And then you've got the familiar HK selector here for the rear sight. It's got a 7-inch top weaver rail, sling attachment on the back for a single point sling, ambidextrous selector switch, and then of course the charging handle that you can slip into this little groove here and lock it, and then you can do the famous HK slap down to close the breech. Then for magazines, it's got a, that's what this is called, the Diopter drum. I know somebody will correct me in the comments, but that's a Diopter drum rear sight. And then for the mag release, you have a paddle style mag release to take the magazines out. And then setting the gun aside for a second, in the box, it also comes with different tools here to take apart the firearm, break it down. A gun lock. We hate those. And some additional components here, and then tweezers, screwdriver, some additional front sights. Since it's plastic, I guess in case it gets broken, you can replace those. A couple bore brush or breech brush, and then it's got a couple 22 safety flags. Continuing on in the box, you have the registration for it, registration card, the pistol manual, safety manual, and what is this? Yeah, this is the registration card that you send in. All in all, it's been a great gun. I haven't had to, it's not choosy for the type of ammunition that it takes. It's been reliable, shooting every single type of 22 long rifle ammo that I've put in the gun, including hollow points. Shoots all that just fine. I've really enjoyed it quite a bit. Trying to get this in here right. It's got a 5.5 pound trigger pull. It's got an integrated trigger guard sling loop here as well on the front. Like I already said, the textured pistol grip. It's supposed to be $428 MSRP. I think I purchased this one for $349, and they seem to be hard to find now. So if you find one, pick it up. I got a lot of great comments about this one. You know, the fact that it looks like an MP5 from HK, kind of a clone. GSG is or was an airsoft company. They make several firearms though now. It is made in Germany, so you can be sure that it's quality. So check it out, guys, if you get the chance. You can find them in the secondary market, sometimes for 250 bucks. It's definitely worth it to pick it up. They're a lot of fun to shoot. Thanks for watching. Please like and watch our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and share the videos and channel with your friends. Thanks.